Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be reviewing and demoing the Sigma Essential Brush Set. So there are 12 brushes. I have not even dipped into them yet, basically because I just got them today. So I am so excited to start using them. I already have my eyebrows done and I am ready to start using them. The only thing that I wish that they did have in this brush set is a brush spoolie. That's pretty much my only complaint so far, but otherwise I'm really excited to start using them. And for starters, I'm just going to quickly prime the face using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I think I said this when I first got this product. This is my only Bobbi Brown product that I own. I absolutely love it. I love the smell of this primer. It's so nice. So I'm all set and ready for the makeup. Normally I do go in with the eyes first, but I'm actually going to go in with the face. So I'm going to use my favorite foundation ever. This is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. This one is in Mont Blanc, and I love this one. I might need to get more of this foundation because it's my favorite. So on one side of the face, there's basically two foundation brushes in this set. So this is the Sigma F60 brush and the Sigma F50. So on one side, I'm going to use the Sigma 60, and on the other, I'm going to use the Sigma 50. So I prefer a brush for like this brush. I prefer to use it for a face primer to apply for application, because I really like having it to get right up underneath the eye. And I'm not very good at using a stippling brush like this, so we'll see how this brush works compared to this one, and if I like to use, which one will I like to use for foundation, if I do use this one for only primer. So we're going to use the same foundation for both sides of the face and for both brushes, obviously. So I'm going to start with the F60 first and just apply that to one side of my face. Already, I love this brush from just that first application. And I, by the way, I pumped it on the back of my hand. I basically used 2 pumps of this. I used half of it for one half of the face, and then I'm going to use the other half for the other. Alright, that is amazing. I love this brush. Okay, when I was looking into these brushes, I was watching a video on someone using all the brushes, and they said to do kind of like swirling motions when applying when using the F50 brush. I'm actually going to put some more on the back of my hand. I think that's what she said, to just use like circular motions. Oh, okay, I like that. Really nice application with the brush. Now let's move into, okay, first let's do my, I guess, little mini review on these 2 brushes, or my opinion on these 2 brushes. I love them. I think I am going to use this one as a primer brush, and then this one as the foundation brush. I do really like this one as a foundation brush though, even though I don't usually use a foundation brush like this, but I am going to start using it like that because it's a great brush. Okay, now let's do concealer. I'm going to use the F70 brush for concealer today. I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm just going to apply that in the normal area where I normally would apply concealer and any blemishes. Wow, okay, what? This blended the concealer beautifully, and I really like that it's small enough for blemishes as well. For the under eye, I do have to go in with my finger, with a mixture of my finger and the brush to blend, but otherwise, this is a great concealer brush. I'm impressed. Now for contour. Where's my contour? I'm going to take the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. Again, I always put it on the back of my hand for application. I feel like that is the best way to apply this specific product. But I do go in with the actual applicator to contour my nose, which I want to see if I can actually contour my nose with this brush. This is the F40 large angled contour brush. I'm just going to contour like I normally do. What? Whoa! Okay, this is my new favorite contour brush. It's nice and small, where I can just get right into the hollows of the cheek for contouring. Whoa. I know I said the the Morphe and Ariel brushes were my new favorite brush set, but I think after I'm using all of these brushes, these new brushes, I think that the Sigma, this brush set is going to be my new favorite. Because, man, I love this for contour. So I'm going to use the Sigma F30 brush for powdering the outsides of the face. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. Wow. I love this brush too. It's amazing. Okay, now I actually want to see if I can use this brush for powder contour. Let's see. So I'm going to take my ColourPop matte bronzer, or powder, I meant. Not bad. I'm also going to go on the forehead with this. Now I'm going to go into blush. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Camo Blush in Dusty Rose, and I'm just going to use my Beauty Blender. Apply this. I think I'm a little too crazy. Now let's move on to the eyes. I did already prime the eyes. Okay, I'm going to take the Sigma E40 brush, and we're going to take the color from the ColourPop Deja Brew eyeshadow palette. We're going to take the color Good Habit, which is that one. I'm going to apply that in the crease. Wow, okay, this brush is perfect for the crease. I'm going to pick up a little bit more. I'm going to use all the shades in this palette. I've never done that before because I'm going to use all of the brushes, and that's crazy. Like I said, I've never done that before. Great brush. This is my new favorite blending. This is my new favorite crease brush. You know what I could have done? I could have used this for concealer as well, but I'm going to use this for a lid shade, so I'm going to get that now. Okay, I'm going to take the color Ruby Baby, which is this one here, and this is going to go on the outer third. This is the E70. I'm going to start on the lash line and kind of build it up into the crease. I love that brush for the outer corner. Whoa. Like my other brushes, when I would apply a shadow in the outer corner, like towards the lash line, it wouldn't look that great. But this one just looks amazing for that. Okay, so I did little bits and pieces off camera of what I'm not going to use a brush with. So now I'm going to go back into the eyes. So I'm going to take the color, let's see. Let's first take the color Crushed Oats, which is this one in the palette. I'm going to take the Sigma E55 brush and apply this to the lid. Again, I love this brush. It works so great for a lid, for the lid. But I do like to go in with my fingers for any shimmer shade, but I feel like this one would be great for like matte shades. Since I am actually going to be using all the brushes in the palette, I'm actually going to go in with the E60 brush, and we're going to take the shade, let's see, Salted Caramel, which is this one, and I'm going to place this on the brow bone. Next, with the M55 brush again, I'm going to take the color Nutty For You, and I'm going to place this right where the shade Broomy Baby and Crushed Oats meet. Next, I'm going to take the E30 brush, which is, okay, so my camera died, so I didn't get the chance to film the rest of the video. I just wanted to, now that my camera's done charging, I just wanted to talk about these 4 brushes that I didn't film with. But I actually did try them all. So let's talk about the Sigma E30 brush. This is a pencil brush. I love this brush, especially like to apply product or shadow in the inner corner, on the brow bone, on the lash line. I absolutely love this brush for that. And then we have my new favorite eyeliner brush. This is the E65. I love how thin this one is. It's so nice. And I basically look straight into a mirror and just stamp the eyeshadow kind of like right in that area, or a gel liner. I currently don't have a gel liner right now, but I love to use it like that, just to look straight in the mirror and then do that, like I said. And then we have the E55 brush. I love this for the inner, for the lid. It's amazing. Or actually, maybe I did film with this one. It's a great brush. And then this one, I actually don't remember what I used it for. I think I used it for, oh yeah, I used it for highlighting a little bit, and I think you can use it for concealer too, under the eye. Okay, and then we have, oh, that was the E60 brush, and then we have the E5 brush. This is the eyeliner brush. I kind of use this as for a shadow underneath the eye, because since I already did eyeliner on the top lash line, so I just did it like that. And I love this brush for it's so nice and precise. I'm gonna try it with a gel eyeliner. So also off camera, I also used the lash comb, the MSQ lash comb. I love this. Like I said, I think in the beginning of the video or another video, I don't remember, but it looks like I have a bald spot like in the middle of the lashes, and this really kind of combed it through, so it doesn't look like you can barely tell, and I really, really like this. This is amazing. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!